All right, we're back here at Direct Injection Engineering in Hendersonville, North Carolina. We're doing a comparison of the EGR Delete tubes. This is the intake tube. One is from Pro Fab, the other is from eBay. We are looking at the inside of the tubes, and I wanted to show the difference between the inside of the Pro Fab and where the MPT port is actually going to be installed if you wanted to put a boost gauge or a nitrous jet or anything like that. This is the inside of it. You can see how it's pretty smooth there. You know, you don't have a lot of excess metal, nice and smooth inside. And then you have the Sinister kit. Granted, this is a used one. So keep that in mind. That's why there's oil all in it. But you see right there, there's a little flap of metal hanging down from what is where the MPT port is. Looks like they just punched it through and didn't actually get it all the way out. And this was installed on a truck. Obviously we didn't install this. We never recommend or actually sell this part, and will not install it because we know that they have way too many problems, and without modification the thing doesn't do its job at all. You can also see again, where it's been crushed by the clamps that were on it, which, again, we're looking at just a factory clamp that was on it here. It's very, very thin metal. This is very thick. The Pro Fab version is nice powder coated. The welding's a little subpar here. Anyway, so that's just another little comparison here. We'll do one more once we get it installed, and we'll show you the difference in how they fit and how the Y-bridge gap is closed at the O-ring. And thank you very much. This is Jesse from Direct Injection Engineering. Thanks again for watching. Bye.